We are here in Mila's kitchen, and we are going to make what today?
Slime.
We're going to make slime for the American Chemical Society's North Carolina Local Section chapter. And what do we need? We need some polyvinyl alcohol, 4% solution. We need some borax. This is also a 4% solution of sodium borate. And we're going to have some paint.
And the colors.
And we have some food dye. Yes.
Food dye? Yucky.
But first we need to put on some safety glasses.
Why?
To protect our eyes, so we don't get any solution in our eyeballs. We want to keep our eyeballs right, so we're gonna put some safety glasses on. You ready? All right. Okay, you see okay?
Yeah.
Very good. So we have 20 milliliters of the borax, no, not the borax, the polyvinyl alcohol right here. And we're going to add some color. So let's see, do you want to put paint in this one? Or do you want to choose a color?
Choose a color.
Okay, what color do you want?
Blue.
Okay, let's do blue. So, how many drops will you put in there?
3.
Okay, let's do 3 drops. 3. You got one, I think you have one more. I didn't see that last one. Okay, that's good. Okay, that might have been 4 drops. That's okay. Perfect. So now we're going to take some, I'm going to take about 5 milliliters of our borax solution. And here you go. Can you add it in there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Go ahead, drop by drop. Drop, 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 drop.
Drop.
Drop, drop, drop. And go ahead and use that and stir it up. Stir it up with your pipette.
Making slime.
Uh-huh, we're making slime. That's right.
Paint.
Very nice. Can you pull out a little bit more so we can see? Very good. Do we need some more of the borax, Mila?
No.
No, we're good?
Yeah.
Okay, try to avoid touching it with your fingers since we're not wearing gloves. Actually, it's still a little bit soupy, so we might need to add a little bit more of the borax, exactly. Here, can Mommy help? We'll do drop by. Don't use your fingers, honey. You're not wearing gloves.
Well, we use gloves.
Yeah, we can use gloves. If you want to touch the solution, then you should use gloves. But we are not using gloves right now. And once everything is mixed up, then you don't need to use gloves, as long as you wash your hands afterwards, okay? All right, so here we go. What do we have?
Slime.
Slime. What color is your slime?
Blue. Dark blue.
Very good. It is dark blue. Would you like to make slime with this paint or a different color?
A different color.
A different color. Okay, what color would you like to use?
Yellow.
Okay, great. Go ahead and, can you open that, or would you like me to open it for you?
I can.
Okay. All right, ready? Oh, yep, your glasses have to go back on, babe.
They fall off.
They fell off. That's okay. All right, very good. Here you go. Here's your yellow. Let's do a few drops of yellow.
2.
2 drops. Okay, sounds good. 1, 2. Very good. All right, let's put that aside.
I don't want to keep these on.
Okay, we can take them off soon, but not yet. Okay, while we're mixing, we're going to have to make sure we have our gloves on. All right, here you go. And hold it above.
Gloves?
Glasses.
Gloves?
Yes. Very good. So drop by drop, and now swirl. And so initially it's very liquidy, right?
Yeah.
And then it becomes kind of thick and gooey and stretchy, right? Can you stretch it out? Wow. Okay, a little more mixing and then stretching. Here, let's see if we can add a little bit more. There we go. Go ahead.
It's falling off.
What, your glasses are falling off?
Yeah.
That's okay.
Actually, they're...
There we go. Can we put that right here?
Yeah.
Look at that. Okay, so what we did, Mila, is we combined two liquids and then we made something that's kind of not a liquid but not a solid, right? And it's able to flow. It's able to have a little bit of flow. Can you say that what happened was we made some hydrogen bonds happen? Can you tell people that we made yep, you've got a little bit on your finger, but that's okay. Can you say hydrogen bond?
Hydrogen bond.
Very good. Yes, we've made some cross-linking with hydrogen bonds between our alcohol and our borax. You're done?
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. I think you did a very good job, Pumpkin. Do you want to play with it?
Not right now.
Not right now? Okay.
Just put it back inside.
Okay, hang on.